So you know that my name is Dibelas Jerwa, and really we are suffering from this poverty in our house. So we want your support to please give us your helping hand, because without your helping hand we are unable to go forward or to proceed our work. So we need your extent to please give us your help, because only praying lips, it's not so much important, but we need your helping hand, because it is more important that you give your life to please give the support to all the challenges people like I do. So yeah, as I have already told before, that I completed my graduation there in Bengaluru. So till today I'm not getting that job to work. So I need you to please help us, give us a good job, so that I'm able to run my my family and all. So that is my request. So thank you so much for your helping hand, and for your, God bless you.